Briefly, I'm Kiko Pangilinan from the Philippines, chairperson of the Council of Asian Liberals and Democrats, a three-time senator in the Philippines. I stepped down from my Senate office last year. I'm also chairperson of the Liberal Party of the Philippines. The Liberal Party was a party of former President Noynoy Aquino. And we are here as Council for Asian Liberals and Democrats, inviting political parties in East Timor to join the Council of Asian Liberals and Democrats. We had this very fruitful meeting with President Ramos Horta, and we hope that this will bring a number of political parties here in East Timor to join the Council of Asian Liberals and Democrats. The CALD, as we call it, is a 10 political party member organization. We have members from Thailand, Singapore, Malaysia, observers from Japan. We have members from Mongolia, Cambodia, and the Philippines, and there. So what did we discuss with President Ramos Horta? The political parties in East Timor that may join the CALD. We discussed international issues such as the concern about the conflict in Myanmar. We discussed local issues, the concern of agriculture. I failed to mention earlier, during the term of President Noynoy Aquino, I was Cabinet Secretary for Food Security, and so I raised with President Ramos Horta I offered if I can engage with the Agriculture Ministry here and help and provide exchanges in terms of my knowledge and expertise in irrigation, in the coconut industry, in the rice supply and management of the rice industry, as well as fertilizers and pesticides, of which I was secretary in charge. Inspiring in the sense that we are familiar with the struggle of the Timorese people. I also shared with President Ramos Horta that I was part of the organizing group that provided a conference on East Timor in 1994. He mentioned Mr. R.C. Constantino, who was our point person in this conference, to bring the struggle of the East Timorese people into the international community. We were part of that, and I was have been familiar with the struggles of the East Timorese people against the Indonesian occupation since almost 30 years ago. So we discussed that too, but we are inspired by President Ramos Horta's leadership and his ability to bring different political groups and forces together for the sake of unity and, of course, for the sake of the progress of Timor-Leste.